In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your eBay account to ensure your preferences are just the way you want them, or even how to close your account if that's your intention. First, let's start by heading to the eBay homepage. This is the hub for exploring everything from electronics and cars to fashion and collectibles. Once you arrive there, you'll want to log in with your account credentials if you're not already signed in. Next, we'll direct our attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the option for account settings. Clicking on account settings will take you to a new page filled with options to adjust various settings within your eBay account, from preferences to personal information. Once you're on the account settings page, we'll want to focus on the sign in and security section. This area is crucial because it houses all your security details and login preferences. It's always a good idea to periodically check this section to update passwords or review your security information to keep your account secure. From here, you'll see a drop-down menu for account preferences. Open this menu to delve into specifics about your account setup and how you'd like things to operate. Whether you're changing your email preferences, address, or any other specifics, this area is your go-to spot. If you've decided you want to close your account, look for the option labeled Close Account. Clicking on Close Account will start the process of terminating your eBay account. Scroll down the page a bit to find this option, making sure you've reviewed all necessary information about what closing your account entails. eBay will ensure that you understand the repercussions of closing, such as losing account history or feedback. Once you locate the Close Account option, press it to move forward with closing. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. It's important to take a moment here to ensure you're certain about this, since after confirmation there's no going back. If you're having second thoughts or if you just wanted to adjust some settings instead, this is your opportunity to back out. In my personal practice run here, I've decided not to click the final confirmation for closure myself because I want to keep my account open. But if your mind is made up, continuing on should lead you through the final steps of account closure. And there you have it. Whether you're making small tweaks or taking big steps in managing your eBay account, these instructions should guide you smoothly through the process. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps if you choose to manage your account settings at any time in the future. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.